Catalog administrators or catalog managers can now run a new job, Enrich Bibliographic Records, that streamlines and automates copy cataloging, including the use of AI in the matching process. To use AI in this process, you first need to opt in to AI title matching. In Alma, go to Configuration and locate AI Features Management. This option may be in different sections depending on your role. In this example, you are a general administrator, so you'll choose the one under General. Once again, depending on your role, you may see a different number of options available here. The one we need to toggle on is Enrich Bibliographic Records with AI title matching. You'll get a confirmation notification that it has been enabled. Now you can run the job. Back in Alma, you'll go to Admin, Manage Jobs and Sets, Run a Job, then search for the Enrich Bibliographic Records job. Select it and click Next. Select the set of records you want to enrich. Note that you can perform this job on up to 1,000 records at a time. Click Next. In the Task Parameters, select the search profile in which to search for matching records. Note that not every external search resource supports bulk queries, and the list of supporting resources may be updated over time. Select the match methods to use when filtering the search results for matching records. Since you've enabled AI, there is now a checkbox for Use AI Title Matching. By checking this, it allows the system to use AI to try to find a match. When the match method selected above does not find a match, click Next. Click Submit, confirm, and run the job. After the job finishes, you can see the results by going to Resources, Cataloging, Bibliographic Enrichment Review. This page lists the results of the enrichment job. You can filter the list by the status of the results. For example, mediation required means a matching record was found, but not automatically merged. This can be because automatic copy cataloging was disabled in the job parameters, or because the record was matched using AI, which requires the cataloger to review and confirm that it is correct. You can select other statuses to review additional records that were automatically enriched, or where no good match was found. Each result shows the enrichment job that it was created from, as well as the rank at runtime and the new rank of the enriched record. You can see the copy cataloging source and which method was used to match the records. For records requiring mediation, when you click on a result, there are 3 information sections: Merge Preview, External Record, and Bibliographic Record. Merge Preview shows what approving the merge with the suggested record would result in. The external record is the external record that was found, taking into consideration any normalization processes your institution has defined to the search resource. And the Bibliographic Record section shows the current local record at the time of review. This allows the cataloger to confirm that a correct match was found, and merging the records is desirable. You can click Approve or Reject for each record, as well as push to MDE or Edit Record if you need to do additional work to the record. For records matched using AI, there is also the option to give title matching feedback, which opens a pop-up for you to rate the quality of the match and provide any additional details. We highly recommend providing feedback to help us improve the AI title matching.